You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it is confusing, this is an adjective. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this, make sure to stay tuned. There are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it. That's probably why you're here. This is to be essentially rude in a contemptuous way or insulting. Two different ways. Contumelious, contu, note the chew sound, chew or chew, both are correct. Contumelious, or contumelious with a two sound. Contumelious or contumelious. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.